Here's the package for today. The seller says it's working perfectly, allegedly. It's from around 1986, I think. It's got Dolby B and C. The input level, balance. So yeah, the seller said it works. I took a look at the transport. It's pretty clean. It's got a timer, reverse mode, Dolby NR, B and C. Here's the controls: rec, pause, record, mute, rec, mute, play, dubbing, stop, high speed, normal speed, A and B direction, music scan. It's working.
One, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, put your glad rags on. Join me.
She got away with walking.
Okay, it's been a few hours. I recorded over a tape, and it sounded pretty bad. But the tape was recorded on twice before, maybe. I recorded to a new tape. This Memorex tape right here. And I haven't played it yet, but I'm going to play it. Hopefully it'll sound good.